Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are back out again exploring. This weekend, Jake, Dad and I have headed out to one of our favourite regions. We're back in the Turon Macquarie region for a bit of exploring this weekend. Got a couple of good spots lined up for this weekend. Tonight we're going to be heading down to a spot that we've been to before but we actually have not camped at. So really looking forward to that. We've had a lot of rain in the region in the last 2 weeks out here in the Turon Macquarie region, as well as the whole east coast has been battered by a few low pressure systems, so there's a lot of water around. Fingers crossed that that doesn't impact this weekend. We've got forecasted a nice sunny weekend, so looking forward to that. Looking forward this afternoon to just sort of sitting around relaxing. We've got a nice dinner planned up for you guys as well, so looking forward to getting down there and setting up. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into this one. Before we get started though guys, make sure the most important step, head over and hit that subscribe button. Now you've done that, let's get straight into this adventure. Well, we've found ourselves a camp spot here. Really cool spot that we've stumbled across. We are down by the Turon Macquarie River here, so Turon / Macquarie, they do join, they do become one river. It's one of the largest and most well-known rivers in New South Wales, and it's one of my favourite rivers to camp next to. We're down here in a pretty cool spot. Actually, on the other side of the river is the bridle track, which is one of the most famous tracks in New South Wales and one of the original gold routes in the area, which was used as main means of transportation throughout the gold rush. So really cool historical area that we're camping in today. Looking forward to getting set up as yeah, it's really hot today in the middle of summer, so yeah, looking forward to setting up and having a relaxing afternoon. Well, the awning has definitely seen better days. Those of you who seen the last video would have seen it got absolutely thrashed in that storm that we got stuck in down in Yukonbean, but she's still standing, so yeah, pretty good testament. Well, there we have it. We're all set up here in this awesome spot. Really looking forward to spending the afternoon here. I've got all the awnings out and everything because the sun is super hot. This river, so Turon Macquarie, is one of the best rivers to camp by in the summer when it's nice and warm. You can't really beat a summer camp like this. Yeah, my favourite winter region is definitely still down in the high country, but for summer, these sort of spots are just awesome. So we'll get the fire going soon so we can cook up some dinner. Just going to do something cool again tonight, try something a little bit different and see how we go.
You have the fire right there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do it. Get some more rocks around the butt. It's not deep, look, he's walking out there. Yeah.
So we've got the fire cranking now and it's just warming up that oil. Going to do some chicken schnitzel tonight over the campfire. Really excited for this one. So they're going to get that oil nice and hot and the chicken all crumbed up and get it frying. Righto, it's dinner time now guys, really excited for this one. So tonight we're not cooking up any fancy steaks, we're just going to be doing a chicken schnitzel sandwich, but we're going to be doing everything from scratch here. So we've got the oil heating up on the campfire over there in the cast iron campfire oven. It's going to be frying our chicken in that. So keep the coating real simple tonight, just going to be flour, egg and breadcrumb for the schnitzel on a Turkish roll with some onion and lettuce and mayo. Really simple but really yum, so looking forward to cooking it up and giving you a taste. Alright, let's get this chicken going. That's what we're looking for right there. Hell yeah. The egg coating is probably the most important part, because if your egg is not coated properly, the breadcrumbs won't stick to the chicken in that particular area. A nice firm hard press as well is crucial to getting those crumbs to stay on the chicken also. There we have it, guys. We've got these beautiful chicken schnitzels here, nice and crumbed up. Gonna head over to the fire now and quickly fry them, and yeah, looking forward to seeing how they turn out. How nice does that look? The chicken's just starting to get golden brown. I'm really excited for this. Can't wait to try it. How good do they look? Perfectly golden brown. Awesome. Alright. Righto, it's time to plate these up, and just how good do these schnitzels look here. Perfect golden brown schnitzels. They're going to go awesome on these sandwiches. So for this one, we've just got some Turkish rolls here, pretty well toasted, some red onion, some mayo, and just some mixed leaf lettuce. It's going to be awesome. The lettuce down first. This prevents the toasted bread from going soggy. Bit of red onion. Chicken pieces, bit of salt now, touch of mayo on top, just a little bit, and we are done. How awesome does that look? So good.
I just went and walked the crossing. There's people up there.
Well, that is dinner done and dusted for us, and honestly I couldn't be happier. That was probably one of the best schnitzels I've ever had. Turned out absolutely amazing, perfectly golden brown, and the fact that it was cooked up over the fire just made it that extra little bit more special. So really going to be getting into the campfire cooking this year. I said in the last video that I did, I really want to put a little bit more effort into cooking on the channel here. You know, I was a chef for 7 years, so I definitely can cook. Just throughout winter last year, a few of the boys were just making fun of me for just literally eating sausages and onion all the time, but you know, simple and easy is the way I was going last year. And now I'm going to hopefully have some really good meals planned up for you guys this year on the channel with some campfire cooking, so fingers crossed it all goes to plan. But yeah, absolutely unreal. Couldn't have been happier with today's dinner. Just absolutely amazing. And this spot, really awesome. We have been down here before. January 22 we came through here on that 2022 adventure that we did through New South Wales touring. We did come down here, but the river was a lot higher and we didn't cross, but we never camped here. So tonight is the night that we're camping down here. Really love it down here so far. The river is just absolutely awesome. As said before, Turon Macquarie, one of my favourite rivers to camp by in general, and can't really beat it for a nice mountain summer camp. We're just going to be sitting around for the rest of the afternoon now, enjoying this awesome spot, watching the sunset now, and yeah, it just feels awesome to be out here. Super happy with this spot, and yeah, just can't wait to sit around and enjoy it for the rest of the afternoon.
Planting them, right? Making it look like it's a deserted island. Shooting. If I had my phone, I'd look it up, but I haven't. Yeah, so it's a 4-day run. I reckon that'd be yours. I think it's called the Overland. There's this Savannah land, which is a risky run as well. It's just a couple of old diesel locos, and it's got a 5-speed gearbox in it, so the train driver has to change gears.
Well, good morning guys. Absolutely beautiful night here last night by the Turon River. Woken up to a crystal clear sky, so beautiful conditions for this morning. We had a bit of a sleep in this morning, which is a rare luxury for us, so we're just going to be cooking up some breakfast here this morning and then starting to pack up, enjoy the sounds of the river for a little bit longer. Had a beautiful clear sky last night, and those of you who have seen last video, we got this awesome star trail shot down there in the snowy mountains, and that was really cool. So I'm going to start getting back into that again and giving you guys some cool time lapses of the night sky. So yeah, really looking forward to doing that again. But as for this morning, we're just going to be sitting around here. Feels so good to be out here. A nice peaceful morning by the Turon River. Couldn't ask for much more. So going to get some breakfast going now, and yeah, then start to pack up. Get a little plate there. Just some lamb and rosemary sausages for me this morning with some streaky bacon. The bacon's already cooked up nice and crispy. Really looking forward to it. Righto, we're going to try this out. So our roll, sausage and a bit of bacon. I'm going to try this smoky barbecue sauce here. And then some mustard. Mustard goes well just on normal sausage sandwiches, so see how it goes on this one. There we have it, guys. Cool little overnighter here in this beautiful spot by the Turon. Starting to heat up really bad now, so it's going to be about 40 degrees today, I reckon. Absolutely no cloud cover, so we decided to pack up nice and early so we don't have to bear with that heat. So yeah, all packed up in this spot. Really cool night. Thank you very much for watching. For those who stuck all the way to the end, if you enjoyed this video, guys, you're not already, consider subscribing. It really helps a lot. Also leave a like on the video and share your thoughts down in the comments section below. We do reply to pretty much every comment here in the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed as much as we did, and as always, we will see you in the next adventure.